You searched for how to buy shares of Autohome-ADR, so in this clip, I'll show the practical steps. Autohome is an online automotive marketplace listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ATHM.CH. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and then add funds to your balance before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker ATHM.CH to find the listing. Confirm you locate the Autohome-ADR entry that matches the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. Open the stock page to review basic company details and the price chart, checking key information to confirm it is the correct Autohome-ADR listing. Make sure the exchange and ticker match ATHM.CH. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, you can place an order that executes when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be submitted. Once filled, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For the example link I used, check the description below if you want to visit the platform.